Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From una ear device, una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, hey, in the morning here, my wisdom warriors, I have something for drop on uno. But hear this. A teacher at Veer Technical High School in Clarendon reportedly had to seek medical attention and is at home nursing injuries after she was allegedly assaulted by a parent and 3 students, 2 of whom are the woman's children. The incident occurred in the school staff room on Tuesday. Well, my wisdom warriors, may I get some information from off of the ground? So, where you know what? All right, let me say it like this, because I try to say it the right way. Yeah, because I know say no. Me just attack my mind. All right, apparently, the teacher them have the student bag. Somehow, the mother end up come there. When the mother end up come there, the mother say want the bag. One of the teacher tell the mother say, hold on there. Hold on. The staff will take the bag, I go come to you. When the mother goes so boom, and looking at the staff room, at our picnic bag, she see. So when she see the picnic bag now, she kindly head in there. So when she go in there now, another staff, the one who have the injuries, allegedly, the other staff come and I try stop her. So succumbs war kick off. Because guess what? The 2 of them get charged, to my understanding. Police, they lock up the 2 of them. So they know say fight Brukk. You understand me? At that the information they may get. You understand me? Alright, what me have to say about this now? What me have to say about this? I want to teach them now stop act like them a security guard. Yeah? I want to teach them stop going like them a security guard. Listen, them have security guard at the school gate. Parents will go to the principal, that's number 1, and talk to the principal. However, you see, if you don't see a parent say, all right, they want them pick the phone or they glimpse them pick the phone. Remember saying, for example, when I take with the pick them phone or I take with the bag. Yeah? My advice to all the teachers them, don't go and like say, Una is a security guard. Because remember, Una never get training for security. Una is there as a teacher. What the parent do is wrong. The parent not to do that. But me are giving her advice. Yeah? When parent come there, when parents come to the school and step in and say them a take out the phone, or them a take out them pick the phone, or take out them pick the bag, go call the security. Nobody go and hold them, because it's like once you hold them also, it would come like an assault. They feel like you violate them, and that's how war go start. So my advice to all the teachers them, when the parent them come, and if the parent then say them a step in and I take the phone, then see the phone or then see the bag, because to my understanding, when the lady stand up, when the parents stand up, the parents glimpse the picnic bag or picnic bag. So that's why I should go in there and I take it up. So may I tell on the teachers now, uno call the principal or uno call the security. You understand? Because them are sitting here go bring war. So this is just my advice to uno. Yeah? To me, in my opinion, what the parent did is wrong, is unacceptable. Parents shouldn't just wait. I don't know what go down or what transpired. I didn't know. Cause I don't know the things that already I have, you have some parents, they had just had also on saying that, because when I was reading the article, it was saying, and I was listening to the gentleman also when the gentleman was talking. I think he's one of the teachers or something like that. He was saying, them have to deal with the pity them now listen and stuff like that. But say you have a lot of of teachers too. You have a lot of teachers that is very rude and disrespectful. You understand? Pitney them have to put up with uno as well. Yeah, listen, me not take no side because it's true. You have enough teachers they just not like certain pitney. Sometimes the pitney not do them nothing. They just look on the pitney and not like the pitney and just take set pan pitney. Me I tell you no, real facts. You understand? Me see it happen to people. So you know what? It just really go both ways. But what I said, you have some parents, if they feel like a teacher then they're the school are upset them pitney or what's not, them are go come and they want war. This is why all schools supposed to have a security guard. All schools supposed to have a security guard. So my advice to all the teachers, please, uno don't go and try say uno stop. Remember, say uno is not a security guard. So don't try say uno stop them. Go call the principal. The principal to deal with them or the security guard. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what to think about this. Uno not have to agree with me, you know. Me just give my take and 2 cents on it. Alright? Because that the information me get off of the ground. So obviously the parents see the picnic bag and decide they must just step in at the staff room and take it up. So it's like one teacher come now and I try stop her and I saw the war kick off. You understand me? Then I make it look like said the teacher, the parents just come to the school and start fight the teacher. No, it wasn't like that. It wasn't like that. And now Favour Williams come out and you know she condemn it. She's not happy about it. She's really not happy about it. And parents need to stop going to school and bully the teacher them. Because really and truly, the teacher them is there to help children. Remember, so the teacher they already learn already, you know. That's why them there for help for pitney. You understand? So you need to just build and come at them a different way. You understand? Approach them differently. Calmer. But then again, me can't even say nothing. Because they have some parents they just not understand and they head just hot and then just no business. This is why I'm advising all the teachers not to try and stop them. You understand? Better you go call the security guard or the principal. And number one, teacher no me as a teacher. Parents not supposed to be a staff room door. Like, come on, seriously. But anyway, I want to tell me what to think and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. The government tackles problem in Western Jamaica. The other day I come out and I did a talk about it where Andrew only say I go spend 24.8 billion and him claim say it I go finish in 3 weeks. My wisdom warrior are 6 weeks. Before that, it was like about, I think it was about 3 weeks before that, Mata Samuda came out. And what Mata Samuda was saying, he was saying that it's going to take up to 5 years. This is what Samuda said. Up to 5 years for run pipeline from Montego Bay go straight down to Westmoreland. It's just a waste of time. Why you gonna run it from when they have what you call it? Mighty God, when you roaring river all of them place there. It don't make no sense to me. So me not understand how Andrew only say it could take 3 to 6 weeks and then Matthew Samuda say it can take up to 5 years. So, I don't know what tell the lie, but I don't believe saying it not go finish in no 6 weeks. Not my wisdom warriors don't look into it. Think about it. From Montego Bay, go down to Westmoreland. Only think so that I go take 6 weeks or 3 weeks. That now got then lie. Me want to see this project I done in 6 weeks. Because Mata Sumada came out and he said it's going to take up to 5 years. This is what he said. My wisdom warriors, you must remember when me come and me there read it out of the paper. You must remember. Because I do not understand how Andrew Honest come and trick the people them about 3 to 6 weeks. And Mata Sumada say up to 5 years. Because me even did a vent about it. And I say all this no make no sense now with people them have to go wait for water for 5 years. You remember good. This is madness. And these are the people who say them love Jamaica. Almata Samuda. Him look like a somebody love Jamaica. Him not even come from here. He not come from Jamaica, you know. Born in England and come to Jamaica and dictate to we. A cut off water from we. Remember say people them are Westmoreland don't have no water, you know. You know, so we need to put a stop into all this foolishness. You know, so we Jamaica and a joke with our life. You don't know that though. We really a joke. Seriously, we can't have this man. And you see how them stay? You see the whole of them stay? You see, we were the whole of them stay. Me tell us that them are hypocrite. Hypocrite, because this man born in England, Marky G born in Jamaica, and this man have a guts to, they on social media, I spread Marky G name, that time him born in England. I tell you, they tough. Hey, I want wicked set of people them, Blues and skirt. I know they want the people them to suffer without water. No, Sanky not go sing so, He not go work, It now go work a full time now. They need to lift up from out of House of Parliament. We tired of them. The people then tired of your Matthew Samuda. Then tired of Andrew Holness. Then tired of Nigel Clark. And Nigel Clark, you, what you do with the money? Why you release money to all these people? Why are you releasing money? Wasting taxpayer money. You need to stop it, Nigel Clark. Yeah, Andrew Holness. Uno too wicked. Uno get away with too much things now. Too much slackness are going in the House of Parliament. Eh? If no people land on our thief and money on our thief a chop. Because we know say a chop on our chop it. This is why we want to know who own the building. We want to know who owned the building. The building 471 million or 474 million. I go to who owned the building then, because me know say Andrew Holness then now go just pay a normal man that the money them. Me not believe in that. I must a politician. That them the building they have to belong to a politician. Something not right. My wisdom warriors, something is not right. You understand me? All of these things need to be stopped. Jamaica, we cannot allow Andrew Holness to get away with these things, He might do too much things. Too much chopping is going on. The government chop taxpayer money too much. And guess what? There's a lot of things need to be done in the country. Look at our healthcare system. I kept talking about it. All me hear Christopher Tufton come out and say mega projects. But really and truly, the real issue is not sorting out. The real issue is left. We don't nobody looking into the real issue. You understand? Me talk about the medication them in the hospital. There's no medication. When you got hospital, them they say, oh, you have to go to pharmacy. You go to a pharmacy, them all 10,000, 6,000, all 14, 15. Lord, no wicked, sir. We don't have taxpayer money. You see, all the CCJ only pay 24 million to, and not even use the service. There's a lot of people need justice and not use the service. But just a touch upon little points and show you how wicked to no own people. Rather go take your money and give it somewhere else. And Jamaica people not benefit from it. This need to be stopped full time now. Full time now, my wisdom warriors. This has been going on for too long. Too long. See, Andrew Holness can declare an asset. Why uno thinking can declare an asset? Why? Uno have to read between the lines. This a government is a chopper government. We need to get rid of them. They need to come out. Like literally, they need to come right out of House of Parliament. You understand? But my wisdom warriors, don't tell me one thing still. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.